Okay. Overnight?
Overnight. She built this.
What was that? Little nest?
Yeah, she built her egg nest. We're going to have to possibly leave it there.
Oh yeah. It's the signature of the Spider Woman. Yeah. So you're just moving the scaffolding over?
Yeah, we have to get it in place, so we're gonna clean up the line here. Probably just clean up all the exterior lines. And this is our chance to basically clean up whatever needs it throughout the whole mural. There'll be touch-ups here and there, but most of it is done.
The sheen, I mean, as I said, the sheen seems to be the same.
Yeah. Yeah.
Want to tell me what you're going to do today?
What I'm going to do?
Yeah.
I'm going to apologize profusely to people who took those decks.
Yeah?
But, yeah, after the beating.
No,
we're tightening up all these lines. Tightening up the borderline at the bottom, all this, so the bleed line is gone.
Yeah.
Maybe a few of the connections between the sweep on the blue.
Right.
Or if you're going into one of those brick lines, a few more of those.
Is James moving the scaffolding over while Mike and Graham are taking the other side to it so that they can do the last minute touch-ups on the wall. Put on the brakes and climb up.